Oh, happy Wednesday.
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you well. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. And the sun is so shining today.
Yeah,
Yeah, I envy you.
really?
Yeah, because it's raining so hard here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the weather is not good. So, uh,
It's your country, weather is not good.
yeah, country's weather is not good. It's raining again so hard. So, yeah,
Is
it's
this
crazy.
raining season nowadays?
I think we have a typhoon. I'm not sure.
Typhoon?
Well, yeah, again, typhoon. Because as you know, this country, yeah, lots of typhoons passes this country every year, like 12 times a year. So it's crazy.
12 times?
Okay, well, anyways, how have you been?
Uh, it's been doing good.
Been doing good. Okay, well, it's gonna be a very long time today,
Yeah,
and yeah, long time today. So,
and
mhm,
I made two another American guys. Not two.
mhm.
Yeah, two and one Australian guy
Wow.
and another church
Mhm.
because the church is like a branch chain church.
Mhm. Uh-huh.
So one of my teacher introduced another church which is pretty far, not
Okay.
far, but I had to use subway
Mhm.
to get there, and
Mhm.
then there was there was three teachers, two is
Mhm.
American, two are.
Mhm. Two teachers? Three.
Yeah, there are three. There were three teachers,
Mhm.
and two is American, one is from Australia.
Wow.
And the amazing thing is the one American guy is
Mhm.
went to Yale, Yale
Wow. Okay.
University.
Exactly, Yale
Super,
University. So
super
you
strong.
have lots of new friends now.
He can speak English,
Mhm.
French,
Mm.
Chinese, and he's learning how to speak Korean.
Oh, okay. Huh. So you have new friends. So that's what you've been busy about these days.
Yeah, just to, yeah, last night.
Last night. Ah, so you met them last night.
Yeah,
New friends. Okay. So, tomorrow. But today is Wednesday, right? So are you
yeah,
gonna meet them after?
yeah. It's my original church, and
After.
last
Ah,
night,
okay.
yeah,
You're
that
you're gonna go
was
to
my
church.
first time. Yeah,
Okay. Well, good luck with that. What time? 6 o'clock? 7.
seven, 7.
7 o'clock. All right. So pretty late. Okay. So we're going to have our
Our own
lesson.
book,
Yeah, our own book.
mimicking our
Yeah,
own book.
our own book. However, it takes so long to upload in this.
Are you
Can
opening the
you?
book?
Yeah, I'm opening the book and I'm trying to share it in this page.
Okay, maybe we can study many of pages today, right?
Like 20 pages or so. Okay.
Because that's why I extended our class.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mhm. Oh, there you go. Can you see it? Not yet. How about now?
Yeah. Now.
Now you can see it. Okay. So last time we ended with Unit 6, and I hope that through and through this class it's gonna be a good connection, right?
Do you think so?
Yeah, I hope so. I'm gonna wish for that.
How about now?
It's kind of choppy, but I can hear you. It's clearer than before.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. So, anyways, let's continue. And last time we ended with Unit 6, right?
Yes.
So we're going to move on with the exercises. Ah, this is Unit 3.
I can see it.
My computer is
Maybe
crazy.
this Today we are going to study.
But it's unit 6, not 3.
Oh, really, right?
Yeah. Where is that? There.
If you can see it without sharing, you can see it because I have my own book.
Yeah. My okay. So let's start with unit 6. Uh, where is that? Because this computer is crazy. There you go. So let's start with exercises 6.1. I think we finished with this last time, right?
Yes.
Yes. So let's move on 6.2. And are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So let's begin.
Okay.
There. Here. Write the negative or study the information and write sentences with like. So number 1 is.
Ben and Sophie like classic music.
And how about Kate? So Kate
Kate.
doesn't like it.
Yeah, Kate doesn't like classic music.
Yes, very good. And how about you?
I like classical music.
You like it.
Just
Okay. All right. Number 2, Ben and Sophie.
yeah, Ben and Sophie no, don't like classic boxing.
No, remove
Yeah,
classic. Just boxing.
they Ben and Sophie don't like boxing.
Yes, very good. And Kate?
Kate likes boxing.
Very good. And you?
I'm crazy about boxing.
Like the answer. Number 3, horror film. So Ben and Sophie.
Ben and Sophie like horror film
Okay, film.
films.
Okay, next. Kate.
Kate Kate likes
No.
doesn't like horror films.
Okay, and how about you?
I like horror films. How about you?
Hello.
Hey,
Okay, you
I
like.
like horror films.
Okay, you like horror films. Okay, right? About yourself. So this should be answered with your own experiences. So number 1, I don't watch TV very often, or I never watch TV, or I often watch TV. So you're going to use I never, I often, I don't, or very often.
So I can choose 3 options, right?
Yes,
There is 3 options, so I can pick or choose one of them.
yes, that's correct. So
Right.
how about number 1, your answer?
I never watch TV nowadays.
Okay, number 2.
I don't go to the theater very often.
Very good. Next, number 3.
I often ride a bicycle. I often eat in restaurants.
Yeah, that's true, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Nowadays.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. And number 5.
I don't travel by train
Okay, I don't travel by train. So let's move
very
on.
often.
Complete the sentences. All of them are negative. So I don't or doesn't plus the verb. So
Yeah.
cost, go, no, see, use, and where. So number 1.
Number 1, I buy a newspaper every day, but sometimes I don't read it.
Number 2.
Paul has a car, but he doesn't use it very often.
Yes, doesn't. Okay, number 3.
Paul and his friends like films, but they don't go to the cinema very often.
Very often. Good. Number 4.
Amanda is married, but she doesn't wear it. Doesn't wear a ring.
Yes. Okay. So she is married, but she doesn't wear her ring. Okay.
Yeah.
Number 5. I.
5. I I know.
I don't.
I I know. I use. I see. I see more about. No.
I don't know.
I know. Cost. Where. Use. See. No. I don't know much about
Yes.
politics, but I'm not interested in.
Good. Number six.
Yeah. The recent hotel isn't expensive. It doesn't cost much to stay here.
Very good. And number seven.
Rain lives very near us, but we don't see him very often.
Okay, very good. So it's Brian. All right.
Brian.
Yeah. So put the verb into the correct form, positive or negative. Number one. Margaret speaks.
Margaret speaks four languages: English, French, German, and
Okay.
Spanish.
Good. Next.
I don't like my job. It's very boring.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Martin? I'm sorry. I know.
I don't.
I don't know.
Yes. Okay. Number four.
I don't know. She is a very quiet person. She doesn't talk very much.
Yeah, she doesn't talk very much. Okay. Next.
Andy, his favorite drink. Andy likes a lot of tea. It's his favorite drink.
The verb is drink. So Andy drinks a lot. Again.
Andy drinks a lot of tea. It's
Mhm.
his favorite drink.
Very good. Okay, next.
It's not true. I don't believe it.
Yes, I don't believe it. Number seven.
That's a very beautiful picture. I like it very much.
Good. Number eight.
Mark is vegetarian. He doesn't eat meat.
Meat. Okay. Are you a vegetarian, Daniel?
Uh, what do you think?
I don't think
Yeah, it's
so.
true.
Okay, so let's move on. Unit 7. So do you? So can you please read it?
Yeah, positive question.
Mm-hmm.
I work. What?
I
Yeah, I
work.
work. We
You
like.
like?
You do. They have. He works. He likes. She does. It has.
Okay.
Do I work? So, see, from now on, it's getting harder,
Exactly.
right? Unit
Yes.
7 is
Mm-hmm.
the turning point to hard part, you know.
Okay.
You should prepare it. I'm gonna be low class from now on, okay?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Do I?
Do I work? Do
Mhm.
we like? Do
Mhm.
you like? Do they
Mhm.
do?
Mhm.
Does he do? Does she have? Does it have?
Okay, does it have? So study the words, word order. So do or does plus subject and infinitive. So let's move on.
Do you work on Sundays? Do your
Mhm.
friends live near here? Does
Mhm.
Chris play tennis? Where do
Mhm.
your parents live?
Mhm.
How often do you wash your hair? What
Mhm.
does this word mean? How
Mhm.
does it cost to fly to London?
Good. Okay. So questions with always, usually, and often. So do you?
Do you always have breakfast? Does
Mhm.
Chris often phone you?
Mhm.
What do you usually do at weekends?
Good. What do you do and what is your job? So, what do you do? I think I work in a bank. So remember, do I, we, you, they, and do you or do they like music? Do or does he, she, it? Okay.
Right.
Do I, we, you, they, and then does he, she, it? Does he like music? Right?
Yeah.
So short answers, can you please read?
Yes, I do. Yes, we do. Yes, you do. Yes, they do. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does.
Mhm.
No, I don't. We don't. You don't. They don't. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't.
Okay, very good. And do you play tennis?
No, I don't.
Okay, do your parents speak English?
Yes, they do.
Yeah, how about your parents? Do they speak English?
No.
All right. Does Gary work hard?
Yes, he does.
And does your sister live in London?
No, she doesn't.
No, she doesn't. Okay. Hold on. Lesson. My computer moves by itself. 4, 7.
Oh, I want to avoid this sun shining. Oh,
Very hot. And I think the precision of your computer is different from before,
yeah,
right?
I've changed.
Yeah, you moved it. Okay, so we have lots of exercises here, Daniel. So write questions do and does. So you know when to use does and when to use do, right?
Yeah, singular
Yeah, singular and
and
plural for.
plural.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. So let's start. I like chocolate. How about you?
Uh, do you like chocolate?
I play tennis. How about you?
Uh, do you like play tennis?
Do you like to play tennis?
Do you like to play tennis? Yeah.
Okay. You live near here. How about Lucy?
Does Lucy live near here?
Very good. Okay. Tom plays tennis. How about his friends?
Uh, all right. Hold on. Does he does he play tennis?
So, Tom plays tennis. How about his friends? And,
Hold on. How about his friend?
so,
Does his friend play
play.
tennis?
Yes, very good. And you speak English. How about your brother?
Does he speak English? Hold on. Does your brother speak English?
Yes, very good. I do yoga every day. How about you?
Do you yoga every day? Do you do
Yes,
yoga
do you
every
do?
day?
Yes, we do yoga every day. Sue often go away. How about Paul?
How about Paul? Does he often goes away?
Does Paul
Does
often
Paul often go
go
away?
goes away?
Goes away?
Yes, goes away. All right. I want to be famous. How about you?
Do you want to be famous?
Very good. Okay, and you work hard. How about Anna?
Does Anna work hard?
Very good. Okay. So make questions from these words, do and does, and put.
I just
Mhm.
make a habit of speaking when I make sentence. I have to close my eyes,
Exactly.
deeply ponder something seconds. All right.
All right. So you are going to jumble the words again to make it complete. So number one.
What did you say right now? You're jumbled?
Yes. Jumble.
Jumbles. Type it.
Jumble. Hold on.
Whole sentence.
What did I say?
You're jumbled. Blah blah blah. Right?
You have to. You have to. There.
You have to arrange the jumbled words to make it correct. Yeah.
Good.
You you're not often use that sentence, right?
Exactly.
So that's why I couldn't repeat it. So I need
All right.
to double
Write it.
check. Yeah. You
Okay,
have to
well,
arrange the jumbled words to make it correct.
yes, Daniel. Okay, so where live your parents? If you're going to make it into a complete sentence using do or does, what
Yes.
will
Where
you
do your
say?
parents live?
Good. You early always get up?
Do you always get up early?
Good. How often TV you watch?
Uh, um, these things are going to all question sentence.
Yes.
All right.
Question.
Three. How often do you watch TV?
Very good. Number four.
Um,
So you want what for dinner?
what do you want to eat for dinner
Very good. What do you want to eat for dinner, Daniel?
today?
Mm-hmm.
Milk, eggs, and some Vegetable like a
Vegetable.
letters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So number five, like you football.
Yeah. Do you like football?
Perfect. Your brother like football.
Does your brother likes not likes? Does your brother like
Like
football?
football. Yes, does. All right. Number seven, what you do in your free time.
What do you do in your free time?
Very good. Your sister works where?
Does your sister works? Does your sister work here? Work?
Where?
Ah, where does your sister work?
There you go. To the cinema often you go.
Do you go often? Do you? How do you often go to cinema?
How? Again.
How often do you go to cinema?
Yes, very good. Next, what mean this word?
What does that? What does what does this word mean?
Very good. Okay, often snow it here.
Does it snow often here?
Oh, good. All right. And go usually to bed. What time and you?
What time usually go to bed you?
Oh.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Good. Perfect. How much to phone New York it cost?
How much does it cost from New York?
Good. Number
No, not
14.
good again.
Oh, it's correct. How
Really?
much
How much does
does
it
it cost
cost
to phone New York? That's
to phone
correct.
New York, right? How
Yeah.
much does it cost to phone New York, right?
Yes. Okay. Number 4. You for breakfast have usually and what?
What do you have usually? And
Again.
what do you have
Do
breakfast?
you usually have?
Hold on, I cannot sleep. What what do you have usually for breakfast?
No, this should be interchanged. What do
What
you
do you usually have?
usually for for breakfast?
What about have?
What? Hold on. What do you usually have for breakfast?
Yeah, that's what I
What?
said.
You said usually have usually.
Okay, let me finish it. Okay, what
Okay, again.
do you usually for breakfast have?
No. What do you usually have, or what do you usually have for breakfast?
Yeah, what do you usually for breakfast have?
No, have for
No, what
breakfast.
do you have usually for breakfast?
No.
What
What?
usually do you have for breakfast?
No. What do you usually have for breakfast?
Have for breakfast. What do you usually have for breakfast?
There you go.
What do
Okay.
you usually have for breakfast? What do you
Yes.
usually what?
Have
And then do and then what do
you
you and then usually
and then
have
have.
for breakfast?
Very good. Okay. Again, what's your whole sentence?
What do you usually have for breakfast?
Good. Okay, complete the questions. Use these verbs: do, enjoy, go, like, star, teach, and work. So number 1 is, what do you do? I work in a bookshop. So number
Okay.
2,
Number two, complete this question. Use this verb. What?
do you do? What do you do? And I will say I work in a bookshop. So is it okay? Or it's okay.
Is it okay? Does it okay?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Is it okay?
Is it okay?
No?
Is it okay? That's correct. Is it okay?
No. There
Hold
is
on.
a it. Come
Yeah,
on.
it. Do it enjoy? Do you enjoy? No, no, no.
You're talking about number two, right?
Yes, number 2.
What do you do? I work in a bookshop. So her answer is it's okay, right? So
Yeah, it's
my
okay.
question have to be like what is okay question, you know? So
Okay.
uh, do you enjoy it?
Okay, do you enjoy it? And you will say, or do you like it? It's
Do you like
okay.
it? Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay. Next.
She she doesn't really like it, but she doesn't really hate it, right?
Yeah, so.
Yeah, it's
Right?
okay. All
Mm-hmm.
right.
Okay.
What time do you start in the morning?
Okay. Or teach is also correct. What time do you teach in the morning at 9 o'clock? Or no, start. What time do you start in the
Yeah, what
morning?
time do you start in the morning?
At 9 o'clock. So number 4.
Do you work on Saturday?
And you will say
Sometimes.
yes. And number 5.
How? Maybe usually by bus. How? How usually by bus? How do you go to work?
Mm-hmm. Usually by bus. And your husband blank. What blank?
Science history. And your husband, what does he work?
What does he teach? Or
What
no,
does
no,
he
no.
teach?
No. What is his work?
Yeah,
He's a teacher.
what is his work?
Mm-hmm. He
He's
is.
a teacher.
Okay. Number 7.
What do you like? What do you like?
Science.
Science? Oh,
What do you teach? Science.
what does he teach? Yeah, what does he
Mm-hmm.
teach? Science.
Okay. Number 8.
Does he like his job?
Does he enjoy?
Does he enjoy his job? Yes, he loves it.
Okay. Right, short answers. Yes, he does. No, I don't. And etc. So number 1, do you watch TV a lot? No, I don't. Or
No, I
yes,
don't.
I do.
Yes, I do. Okay.
So do you live
Do you
in a
like
big city?
city? Yes, yes, I do.
Okay. Do you often ride a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Does it rain a lot where you live?
Does it rain a lot where you live? Yes, no, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. And do you play the piano?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's time to just a little bit break because I have to cut this video recording. You
Exactly.
know. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe you want a cup of drink,
Okay.
something.
All
Yeah,
right.
and then I'll log back. Okay.
All right. Me too. Okay. All right. I'll see you then.
Yeah.